ProPilot Assist is a hands-on driver assistance system that provides limited lane keeping and throttle and brake control assistance. It is not a self-driving system. ProPilot Assist uses Intelligent Cruise Control, or ICC, to maintain distance from preceding vehicles, and Steering Assist to help keep the vehicle near the center of the lane. To turn ProPilot Assist on, push this switch. Accelerate or decelerate to your desired speed. Then push this switch. These indicators will illuminate. One feature of ProPilot Assist is Intelligent Cruise Control. When your speed is set, ICC monitors the speed of and distance to the vehicle ahead. If a slower moving vehicle is detected, ICC will reduce your vehicle's speed. If you come closer to the vehicle ahead, a chime sounds and an indicator flashes. Depress the brake pedal to maintain a safe distance. When the vehicle ahead slows to a stop, yours can stop automatically. If your vehicle is stopped for less than 30 seconds on the highway, for vehicles equipped with ProPilot 1.1 or 2.1 systems, or 3 seconds off the highway, and the vehicle ahead begins moving, your vehicle can begin moving again automatically. If you were stopped for longer, this message is displayed. Push this switch up or depress the accelerator pedal to continue system operation and begin moving. There are 3 different distance settings that can be used: long, middle, and short. Push this switch to cycle through the distance options. These distances are dependent on speed and do not dictate car lengths. Push this switch to turn the system off. Push and hold this switch to activate conventional cruise control mode. You can change between the 2 modes at any time simply by turning the system off and back on. When clear, consistent lane markers are present, ProPilot will use Steering Assist to provide small steering corrections that help keep your vehicle near the center of the lane. When Steering Assist activates, these indicators turn green. When the system is in standby, the indicators turn gray. If a vehicle is detected ahead, Steering Assist will operate even at low speeds. If there are no vehicles detected ahead, Steering Assist activates at speeds above approximately 37 miles per hour. Use this switch to turn Steering Assist on and off. ICC can continue to function. This setting can also be adjusted in the vehicle information display. If the wiper switch is in the high-speed position, Steering Assist will be canceled after a period of time. The system may also disable when the wipers are in auto mode and heavy rain is detected. ProPilot Assist also monitors the steering wheel to ensure the driver has at least one hand on the wheel at all times. If no hands are detected, the no hands on wheel sequence will begin. First, this warning will appear. Next, the warning will flash, along with a series of escalating audible alerts, and then a brake pulsation. If still no steering input is detected, an emergency alert sounds, a warning message is displayed, and the vehicle will slowly be brought to a stop in the traveling lane. If steering input is detected during any of these warnings, the no hands-on wheel sequence will be canceled. After the vehicle is completely stopped, this warning message will be displayed. Intelligent Lane Intervention, or ILI, is an additional lane-keeping feature. If the vehicle approaches the lane markers, ILI sounds a warning, vibrates the steering wheel, and the lane marker on the display turns yellow and flashes. The system automatically applies brief steering force to help return the vehicle back to the traveling lane. When Speed Limit Assist detects a change in the speed limit, the new speed limit is indicated here. The direction of this arrow indicates whether the new speed limit is higher or lower than your set speed. Push this switch up to accept a higher speed, or down to accept a lower speed. The vehicle set speed will be changed to the new speed limit. To adjust Speed Limit Assist settings, use these controls to select settings: Driver Assistance, Intelligent Cruise, Speed Limit Assist, then toggle the system to Auto, Manual, or Off. If you select Auto, the vehicle speed is adjusted automatically when Speed Limit Assist detects a new speed limit, and this indicator is displayed. Auto mode is only available on freeways. There is also an option to adjust the offset to the posted speed limit. Use these controls to select settings. Driver assistance, intelligent cruise, speed limit offset, then select the desired offset. On the freeway, speed adjust by route uses information provided by the map locator system to help reduce the vehicle speed when approaching tight curves or interchanges. This icon will appear when the system is active. To change speed adjust by route settings, use these controls to select settings. Driver assistance, intelligent cruise, speed adjust by route, then press OK to toggle the system on or off. ProPilot 2.1, if so equipped, provides steering assist with HD map data, lane change assist, and passing assist. A subscription is required to access these features. Under certain conditions, steering assist with HD map data allows the driver to take their hands off the steering wheel. All of the following conditions must be met in order to activate the steering assist with HD map data driving feature. ProPilot Assist is active, and the driver's hands are detected on the steering wheel. The vehicle is being driven on a mapped highway or limited access freeway. To view a map of ProPilot Assist 2.1 compatible roads, view the website shown. Camera, radar, and GNSS sensors are functioning. The driver monitor system detects the driver's full attention is on the road ahead. Lane markings are clearly visible and able to be detected by the system. The vehicle speed is under 85 miles per hour. ProPilot Assist 2.1 will automatically switch to steering assist with HD map data mode when all these conditions are met. ProPilot Assist 2.1 monitors the driver's attention to the road ahead with a driver-facing camera located on the steering column. When this icon is blue, steering assist with HD map data is activated. If the system detects that the driver is not paying attention to the road ahead, a series of warnings will be displayed. First, this warning will appear. Next, the warning will flash, along with a series of escalating audible alerts, and then a brake pulsation. If still no steering input is detected during these warnings, an emergency alert sounds and the vehicle will slowly be brought to a stop in the traveling lane. To turn hands-off driving on or off, use these controls to select settings. Driver assistance, lane centering assist, then hands-off mode to toggle the system on or off. There may be times where the vehicle requires you to put your hands back on the wheel, like merging lanes or driving in a construction zone. Another feature of ProPilot Assist 2.1 is lane change assist. When ProPilot Assist is activated and these indicators are illuminated blue, lane change assist helps the driver change lanes when the turn signal is used. The driver must have their hands on the steering wheel before changing lanes in order for lane change assist to function. The system will automatically resume hands-off mode when the lane change is complete. To turn lane change assist on or off, use these controls to select settings. Driver assistance, lane change assist, then activate by turn signal to toggle the system on or off. Passing assist uses lane change assist features to help the driver pass a slower vehicle. The system notifies the driver of a slower vehicle ahead and suggests passing when there are no vehicles in the blind spot. The driver must have their hands on the steering wheel before changing lanes in order for lane change assist to function. Push this switch to have lane change assist help with changing lanes. The lane change assist display will flash green, and the turn signal is activated automatically. The system will assist the vehicle in changing lanes and will automatically resume hands-off mode when the lane change is complete. It will also suggest leaving the overtaking lane if the vehicle has been in the lane for a period of time. To adjust the passing assist settings or turn the system on or off, use these controls to select settings. Driver assistance, lane change assist, then select the setting you wish to change or select passing assist to toggle the system on or off. To ensure proper function of the system, Keep these areas clean and free of obstruction. If any of these areas are blocked, an indicator and/or a warning message may be displayed. When safely parked, clear any obstructions to the radar and camera areas. This may include turning on your windshield defrost for a few minutes. If the problem persists after clearing any obstructions, it is recommended you visit a Nissan dealer for service. If ProPilot Assist malfunctions, it will be turned off automatically. A chime will sound, and this warning will appear. Stop the vehicle in a safe place. Turn the vehicle off and restart the vehicle. If the warning continues, there may be a malfunction. Although normal driving can be continued, the system should be inspected. It is recommended you visit a Nissan dealer for this service. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.